So initially, when I got the test results, I was definitely a little shocked. I really did not expect that I would have COVID-19. I think at the time there were only, about 100 cases in Washington, maybe 500 or more cases across the United States. So I thought, wow, I'm really lucky, or rather in this case, rather unlucky. So I had gone to a house party on Saturday, February 22nd at a friend's house here in Seattle. This was really before the large-scale outbreak of coronavirus cases here in Washington state. So, I went to the party, had a great time, didn't think anything of it. And 3 days later, on Tuesday, February 25th, I woke up in the morning and I felt a little groggy, a little bit tired, run down. So I went home, I worked from home the rest of the day, and I ended up taking a nap in the early evening, and I woke up and I had a temperature of 101 degrees. Multiple friends and myself all got sick 3 days after attending a house party here in Seattle, and we all came down with the same symptoms at the same time. Some of my friends went to the doctor. I didn't myself go to the doctor because I ended up feeling fine and recovering on my own, and as I mentioned, I just thought it was the flu. My friends that went to the doctor were tested for flu and tested negative, and they were sent home. Towards the beginning of my self-isolation, it was fine. I realized I was sick, that I just needed to hunker down and take care of myself and rest. Towards about the middle or the latter half of it, I started getting very restless, and honestly, I started getting quite depressed. I live by myself, and I was starting to get really, really lonely. It's very hampering when you can't, just go out and drive somewhere and get something to eat, or you can't even really go to the store on your own because number one, you want to stay inside, and number two, you don't feel up to going out to the store. I was so tired, I couldn't even really cook.